Hello, everyone. I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, let's explore the future path of algorithmic trading. In recent years, with the rapid advancement of technology, machine trading, also known as algorithmic trading, has gradually become mainstream in the financial industry. But did you know that the potential of machine trading is far from fully tapped and its future is still vast? Adaptive learning. The trading algorithms of the future will be more intelligent. Using machine learning and artificial intelligence technologies, they can automatically adapt to market changes, improving the accuracy of trading strategies. More data, faster speed. With the progress of big data technology, future machine trading will be able to process more data and make trading decisions in milliseconds. Personalized trading strategies. Based on a user's risk tolerance and investment goals, future trading machines will be able to provide more personalized trading strategies. At INNOSS Tech Lab, we are well aware of the future potential of machine trading and are actively exploring and developing more advanced trading technologies. Our goal is to provide investors with smarter and more robust trading tools. So, when we look at the development trends of machine trading, we not only see technological progress but also envision a more intelligent and efficient financial future. Thank you. Remember to follow INNOSS Tech Lab as we journey together on the future path of machine trading.